Maligo ka na kaya. Why don't you take a bath?
Ayaw to pound.
You did not take a bath since yesterday. Daniela!
Galing mo.
Daniela, you take a bath now.
It's Marco. It's Marco.
You didn't take a bath since yesterday. Daniela!
Oh, okay.
Daniela! You take a bath na. You did not take a bath since yesterday. And you did not brush your teeth. Halika dito, Bes. Ang mahal kong maganda. Mahirap sumunod. Ano po? What? Sino made niyan? Galing talaga.
Galing magkalata.
No, you tell Tito Nyanyo to take a bath. Imo. You take a bath. You're so awful. Nyanyel bao. Nyanyel bao. I was alone. I was a ghost. Huh? Ano yan? Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Thinking that it's big. Oh, there is a lot. Anymore. Let it go. Let it go. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Nyenyen ay mabaho. Tito Nyenyen smells not so good. Daniela! Ano sinabi mong name mo, Daniela?
Kenji.
Ha? You're Daniela?
Kenji.
Sino si Tenji? Ano yung Tenji yun?
Kenji.
Ah, Kenji? Ba't mo nakuha yun? Di ba yung si Daniela?
Kenji.
No, you're Daniela.